Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this super cute and super attractive quilling card. So I will show you how to create this cup, these flowers, how to make the background. Everything is handmade. Isn't it looking very pretty? So let's get started. So first here I have drawn one cup shape on white color cardstock. This cardstock is having 300 GSM thickness and the upper measurement is 8 centimeter and lower measurement of cup is 4 centimeters and the height of cup is approximate 5.5 centimeters. And also I have created one handle on right side. So this is simple freehand sketch, you can easily make this. And inside the cup I am going to add this beautiful die cutout, which is a cross pattern die cutout. You can simply add cross manner strip if you don't have die. So you can use anything, both the designs will look nice. So here I am just sticking my die cutout. This die is called background die by iCraft. Then this is done and I will start doing the outlining using my quilling strips. So here I am taking 1/4 strip bunch. I have just joined 4 white color 3 mm 1/4 strips together to make a thick strip bunch. And now I am just going to add little glue on the bottom part of the strip. Then take out the excess glue on your palm for the finishing in the bottom. And then start adhering this according to the shape of the cup. You can use your tweezer to hold the strip from top. In the same way I will cover whole outline using this white strip. So this is done. Now I am adding the inner part of the handle. And the outlining of the cup is done. Allow it to set for some time. And meanwhile I am just cutting the excess paper around the cup using my scissors. And the cup is ready. Now I will start with making the quilling flowers. So my first flower I am taking one strip of dark yellow color 3 mm and making one tight leaf shape. I will join 5 petals here to make the flower. Then just taking out the excess glue using wet brush. And then here I will do little shading using watercolor. So for the darker shade of yellow I am using red color. And from the center towards the outer side I am just making small strokes to do little shading. You can skip this part, but I thought to give it little natural look, we can do little shading, just spreading the color using water. And this is done. Now for the center of the flower I am taking half strip of dark brown color 3 mm and making one tight coil. I am adding the tight coil in the center and the flower is ready. In the same way I have prepared 2 more flowers using medium yellow and off-white color strip. Process is same, just the color is little different. So here I have created in great color flowers. So likewise the large flowers I have created some small flowers, and for one petal I have used half strip here. Rest the process is same. So we need 6 small and 3 big flowers. Now I am starting with making the leaves. For this I am taking 1/4 strip of 3 mm sap green color and making one pointed teardrop shape like this. In the same way we need 3 petals, and now just take one small strip of sap green color and adhere your 3 petals to this to make the leaf. So in the same way we need some more leaves. Now I am taking white color cardstock base to create our card, and this measures 14 by 14 centimeters. And here I am using this beautiful heart stencil to make little texture in the background. So just aligning it according to the card and taping from top and bottom so that it will not move. And now I am taking Versa color and using the light pink and light red color and my blending brush. I am starting from the center part of the card and just spreading the ink towards the ends of the edges so that we'll get beautiful shaded design. Here I am using Versa fine color, but you can also use distress inks or archival inks, anything which you have. Now just remove the stencil slowly, and can you see the beautiful heart design on my card? It's looking super cute. Now here I am using mini scoreboard by Dress My Craft to make some lines on my cardstock. So just rotate your cardstock and start making lines from the edge, and repeat this process for whole cardstock. It will give very nice horizontal embossing effect on your card base. I am just showing you different procedures to decorate your cards. You can just skip or use any of this step according to your requirement and according to your availability. It's not that I am using it so you have to use this. You can just decorate your card in your way. So it's done, and can you see how beautifully it is embossed? It's looking very nice. And now I'm taking the card base which measures 30 by 15 centimeters. I have just folded this in half, and one yellow color paper which measures 14.5 by 14.5 centimeters, and I'm going to adhere it on my card base. And then I am sticking my embossed card. Then I am first sticking the cup in the bottom. And after that, here I have just created one beautiful sentiment, have a sweet day, using dies and stamp. If you don't have dies, you can just simply write the message using pen. Fussy cut this and stick it in one corner, just like I'm doing it here. Add little glue in the bottom and stick in one corner of the card. And then I will start adhering all my flowers and leaves one by one. First I am roughly arranging all the floral arrangement, and then I will stick it using glue. So this is done. Now I'm just tucking some red color wire pollens here and there to give simple bud look. The red color will also enhance the beauty of flowers. And then I'm just adding some water droplets here and there like this using glue. And now I'm adding some black color splashes in the corner of the card using black gel pen. It will give a nice shabby look. Like this. And a cute quilled card is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video and you can create this card very easily at home. So please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.